All right, GM guys, guys, GM guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to the show, man. Friday, let's go. Gonna wait a couple of minutes here before we start. And let me go live. Also, uh, give me 1 second, real quick. Yes, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Let me do something here. Why is everybody saying bull market is back? What's going on? I don't know. I haven't looked at anything. I have no idea what's happening. Let's see. I don't know, guys. What's the number? Okay. ETH is going nuts. Polka dots 8%. Okay, not bad. I'll take it. Pandora.eth. What's up, man, guys? So Fridays I like to go live on Twitter and Twitter live. Look at Samira. Oh, she just went away. Oh, ETH all-time high party. That's hilarious. All right, let me go. Let me go live here, man. Let me go live real quick. Cause I'm live on Twitter. I'm gonna go live on Twitter Spaces too. So, because I know a couple of you probably I don't know whatever. I don't know who knows. Who cares? Crypto, crypto hour, live, crypto hour. Geez, guys, give me a second. I'm going live on Twitter Spaces. So, crypto hour live. Blah, 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 blah. Altcoin season. Altcoin season's back. I'm just who knows. Altcoin season. Altcoin season is back. All right, I'm just gonna go live real quick. We'll see. We'll keep it up, and we'll go live right now. Perfect. So we're live on Spaces. Jim. How you guys doing, man? Happy Friday to you all. I see Tommy in the house. Tommy, what's up, bro? What's going on, man? Jim, Tommy, Jim, Dynasty, Jim to Pander.eth, Jim also to Silence in the house too. Oh, yeah, so we're cool. So I'm live on Twitter Spaces. I'm also live on Twitter Live, so we could, if you guys want to talk, cool, whatever. But yeah, man, hope you guys doing okay, man. Friday is a good day. I did ETH break all-time high. I haven't checked anything today, so I don't know. I haven't looked at anything. I haven't checked anything. I have no idea, man. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. I don't know what the markets are doing. Just give me a second. But I'm not excited. I'm not excited until we have until the real retail comes here. So ETH is off 14%. Jesus, did he break out something high? It's pretty close, man. It's pretty. I think it did. Let me see. I'm not sure. Not yet. All-time high is 4,700 and so 4,878 is all-time high. That's yeah. So I don't know. 2021. Yeah, cool. That's cool, man. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. ETH is interesting right now. Let me look at the portfolio here and see. ETH is layer twos are running up. Oh, look at True Bits. Okay, cool. Arbitrum. Yeah, layer twos will pop off. What else is popping off here? Nothing great, nothing crazy, man. Nothing nuts. Yeah, man, guys. Like I said, welcome to the Friday show. I do this show every day. I'm live on Twitter live right now. I'm live on Twitter Spaces, also live on YouTube. So we're live on 3 separate platforms right now. Happy Friday to you all. Hope you guys doing okay. But yeah, man, the vibe is good. I can see people excited, but even though the market's up like crazy, I still don't think that people are truly in, because I saw on my timeline on Twitter hasn't been too crazy. So I'm gonna say, oh yeah, let me see. Okay, let's go. XP. Ooh, look at that trading rank 3K liquidity. All right, cool. Tomorrow's doing his thing. Yeah, man, guys, we just hope you guys doing okay. Happy Friday to you all, man. It's been a good week. This show, Friday Roundup, we're just gonna talk about markets, talk about where we're going, talk about Twitter, InfoFi, Wall Chain, Kaito, whatever it is. We're just gonna talk, man. That's it. All right. So let's see. Wait a couple of more minutes before for more people to join. Let me see. Crypto Hour Live. Let me see. The Crypto Hour Live altcoin season is back. Is altcoin season back? I don't even know, guys. Like, remember I told you guys before, there's no celebration until Bitcoin dominance comes down a lot lower than what it is right now. And as of right now, let me check. Actually, let me just go. Let's start this show, guys. I'm just gonna start. Let me start this show, man. And what else? What else do we have here? Let me see. Where is my share screen? Oh, okay. No, let me close this one. Just bear with me, guys. I'm just trying to hook up the website real quick. So share screen, and let's take a look here. Share screen. Okay, Twitter, yes. And let's take a look at CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap and see what's good. I haven't looked at the market today, right? This is my first time checking it. So my wife said, "Oh, something market." I was like, "Yeah, I haven't looked at it, man." She just told me when I got home. Let's see what's popping off here, man. What's popping off? All right, let's take a look at the volume first. Let's take a look at the volume. If you're watching me, you can see what I'm looking at. I'm live on Twitter Live, so you can watch what I'm doing. So right now, wow, look at ETH dominance. Damn, yeah, man. That's what's happening, man. That's why it popped off like this, man. So yesterday, once I had to show, Bitcoin dominance was at 58.4%. Right now, the dominance is 57.7%. So lost 1% in dominance. Ethereum's dominance yesterday was 13.8, and now it's at 14.4. So, but as of right now, look at this. The dominance of Bitcoin is still 57%, which means we're not in full altcoin season yet. I'll say yet. We could still be. This numbers change on a daily basis, but Ethereum has gone very, very strong against Bitcoin. And we all know what happens when ETH pops off. Everything goes crazy. Look at this volume. Jesus Christ. The volume right now, trading volume is $233 billion. Holy shit. Yesterday, the trading volume was down like 50%. Yesterday, the trading volume was like 148 billion. So in less than 24 hours, man, trading volume is back up to $233 billion, man. It's crazy. Up 53%. That's big money backs doing that, man. Holy shit, that's crazy. Right now, we're officially back over $4 trillion again. So 4.04 trillion is what the total market cap of crypto is right now, which is crazy. So let's take a look at some prices here real quick. Right now, Bitcoin is 116,922. Ethereum is 4,000, and Bitcoin is up 4%. Ethereum is 4,847 right now, up 14.76% or 14.8%. But yeah, that's pretty crazy. ETH is like $20-$30 from all-time high. Like all-time high is 4,000. I just checked it. All-time high for ETH is I think 4,000. Let's see. What's all time high? All time high for ETH is 4,878. So basically about 33 dollars away from all time high. I mean, it's getting closer. Like it's getting very very close. Like $33 away from all time high, man. Right now, that's insane. So it's been 4 years, right? The last time each touched all time high was September. Let's say November 12th, 2021. So 4 years ago. It's been 1,381 days, man. Jesus Christ. It's been 1,381 days since ETH broke all-time high. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane that what's happening right now. But it's still close. It hasn't touched it yet, right? Who knows? So we'll see. It probably will. Because, yeah, going into the weekend, it probably will this weekend. All right, probably tonight. Or probably in next couple of hours, man. You should. XRP above $3 again, up 7%. BNB is up 6%. BNB, oh my god! When I see BNB, I cry more seeing BNB than I do with anything else. I remember BNB at $4, man. If I put all the man, it hurts. I don't lie though, man. BNB is $6 away from $900. Jesus Christ. This is the reason why buying and holding. You cannot be mad at buying and holding, man. You really can't. So right now BNB is 894, up 6%. Solana's 198, up 10. We got Dogecoin up 11, Chainlink up 8, Hyperliquid up 9. Things are going up, right? But let me see. Let's look at the let me see real quick, man. Fear and Greed Index. So you see how crazy this is, right? As of right now, the altcoin season index is at 49, which means we're still in Bitcoin season, even though ETH is at all-time high, basically. So this is what I said yesterday, where we're in a very, very good position because as of right now, we don't have a lot of liquidity in the markets, but ETH is close to all-time high. Bitcoin is close to all-time high, and we don't have a lot of money in the system. So what happens when money does come in the system? So things about to get crazy, man. It's about to get nuts. And Fear and Greed Index. So I don't think this is updated though. Tomorrow will probably be updated. Fear and Greed Index is at 46, which is neutral, which is going to change by tomorrow because I don't think it's updated, man. But I'm just mind blown, man, with how well these things are doing right now. Let me see if I can look at CoinGecko and see what else is trending. Because whenever it goes up, guys, remember everything goes up because most alts are paired against ETH. Let me see CoinGecko. I hope it opens up, man. Because my Google Chrome is not happy, man. But yeah, GM to all of you being here, man. Like I said, Friday is kind of like an open space, man. It's just an open space. Is whatever. We just talk whatever, man. You know what I mean? It's open. I'm gonna keep this shit up probably for like an hour and a half, probably. So I am gonna be alone at the house in a bit, but let me share my screen real quick. Here we go. So what are the top gainers? What's gained the most? Top gainers right now. Let's see. Let's see. So like I said, man, I'm not saying that we're in a bull market. I don't know. All I'm saying is things are weird right now, and I don't know. I really don't know where the market is going. All this pumping in prices is liquidations, guys. There's no fundamental. I mean, there was news today. I'll tell you the reason why. The reason why the market did this today, I'll tell you. But before that, let's take a look at the top gainers right now. So top gainers in the markets. Bio Protocol, I don't know what it is. Illusion of Life, up 144%. Yeah, like there's a lot. Centrifuge CFG is up 46%. Sapien, yeah, you guys go to airdrop right from Sapien. I think I heard people that got tested, they did very, very well on that one, man. So I don't really know how people did on that, but yeah. And what else? But yeah, all these tokens I never heard of them, man. Like it's just so right now, to be honest with you guys, I don't know where the market is going. I do know a lot of leverage in the system right now, and I expect a things to come down. Things have to come down because this pump in volume. The reason why the market pumped up this much is because of the U.S. government, Fed. The Fed chair hinted at a possible rate cut possibility, and that's what drove the market up, and plus leverage. So, because there's no fundamental reason why things should things should pop up like this, right? You know. So I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. Let me see. Let me close this page. I don't want to get sucked up with this shit Wi-Fi shit. Cause see, am I good? Okay, cool. Because this stuff looked like it was about to freeze on me again. All right, let me check the chat real quick. I see silence in the house. Pandera, what's up? The move is because of news. Yeah, Drew. See, silence knows what's up, man. Silence said the move is because of news from Powell. So let's take a look at let's see, open up this headline stuff, man. It's like we could look at headlines to see what's going on in this market, man. In this, let's see. Headlines. Let's take a look at the crypto market and see what's going on. Because the reason why I like this stuff, you know, because I don't talk. If you guys want to talk money, we can make money tomorrow. We talk about an airdrop shit tomorrow, cool. But weekday shows are really to give you the macro outlook, like the zoom out look of the market. And if you are informed, you would make informed decisions. You're not going to make irrational decisions based on you being educated, right? Let me make sure. Let me share my screen. Let me share the screen again. Just give me a second, guys. We got blockchain baby. Blockchain babies in the house. What's up? What's going on? Blockchain babies in the house, man. I see what's going on. Yeah, blockchain baby. Keep making your content, man. I see making your videos. Keep making your guys, and don't forget. Like, if you are skilled at talking or doing videos, I recommend you start hosting spaces, start hosting videos, start get in front of the camera. You should be comfortable with that by now, because the game is changing slowly. You need to be able to get in front of the camera and host a space for like an hour or 2 hours every day, because the more crypto goes mainstream, the more people will start looking for people to watch, to learn from, and you could build from that. So I recommend you guys, if you should look into that shit. You don't need nothing fancy, man. When I started, I used my iPhone. That's it. I used my iPhone for like 9 months straight. 9 months. That's all I used was my iPhone, and just put the phone in front of the camera and just talk. I see you, Blockchain baby. I appreciate you guys for being here, man. All right, so let's look at this headlines, man. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, Ethereum treasuries soar. Of course they do. Ethereum treasuries soar. Bitcoin ETFs $1 billion bleed. Yeah, so I looked at this earlier. Let me check real quick. The ETFs had a bleed yesterday. I'm sure they're back again positive today. But these ETFs, I mean, guys, look at this. This is insane, man. So as of today, we've had $287 million worth of ETH inflow, while we had 194 million outflow of Bitcoin. So there's almost a double inflow into Ethereum and outflow of Bitcoin on the ETFs. This is what I was saying about. Yesterday I said on my other show, on 2 shows yesterday, I don't know what's up with this market. This market is weird. because it's very, very simple. Remember, big money bags, a lot of them don't have a lot of exposure in Bitcoin. And I think they want to make a lot more money on Ethereum. So Ethereum has a lower market cap and it does more. All the stable coins in crypto, majority of them are built on ETH. And they, as of right now, there's a stable coin war going on across the country, across the US, across different countries around the world. And most stablecoins are built on ETH. I've seen this for the past like almost 2 weeks now. Ethereum ETFs are doubling, tripling inflows against Bitcoin. And look at the prices. Numbers don't lie, right? So to me, like I said yesterday, you know what? Let me see. I said, if you want to make money in this in a crypto game now, of course, you could do your airdrops, you could do your trading, you could do all those things. But if you're talking about long-term holding, I will look heavily into projects that are aligned with stablecoins. I spoke about Athena yesterday. And let me see, how high is Athena now? Look at that. Athena is up 17%. Yeah. So any project that's attached to stablecoin is going to go crazy. So Ethereum, Athena, anything RWA types, because they do link RWAs to stablecoins, because stablecoins, it's kind of like a real world asset in a way. So you expect some crazy things to happen, because I don't know, this pullback is fueled by Jerome Powell hinting of them cutting rates. We're having multi-billionaires going on TV telling us that Ethereum is going to 25, 30K. They're telling us that Bitcoin is going to 180 grand by December. They're telling us that Bitcoin is going to hit 1.5 million by 2030. These people don't just throw numbers because they feel like it. These people do their research. They are betting on this to happen. And they're the ones that control the markets. These numbers will happen. It's just a matter of time. Now, are you positioned, right? That's always the question. Are you positioned right now to make that money when the time comes? Because I think a lot of people right now have made money, yes, but you haven't made life-changing money yet. And there are a couple of ways to do this. Making life-changing money in crypto comes from you hold the right project for the long term, or you get into protocols early. Look at BNB. BNB was $4 when I saw it 4 years ago. It's almost $900 now. That is triple digit X's. XRP, same thing. So how do you make money? So it's not easy, man. The hardest thing about crypto is, being able to make money for the long term. It's very, very difficult. And that's why I like to do these shows, because I give you my experience, tell you what I've been through. I learn from people. I want you guys to learn from me. We do these shows. We exchange ideas. But the most money people have made in crypto are being from holding. The buying meme coins, that one is luck, or you're an insider. So I don't want to count that one, because buying, investing into a meme coin and popping off is very hard to do, man. You want to be buying those memes when meme coins are dead. You cannot be buying meme coins when they're popping off. No, when meme coins are dead, that's when you buy it. So we've seen a couple of things happen. Like, for example, Bonk. If you put in $100 in Bonk a year and a half ago, before this pullback, your $100 will be worth almost 200K. Yeah, that's how crazy it was, right? But that's what I'm saying. Like, long-term holds is hard to find these things, but there are two types of ways to make money in this game, right? It's either you buy the right projects and just leave it alone for 6-7 years. Because if you bought BNB at $4, that's like 6 years ago, $4, bro. Your $100 now is worth. Is it? Wait, let me see. I think BNB is 900. Jesus Christ, damn. So wow, basically you're up like 300x, right? Am I right? 200x, almost 200x. You're up. So your $100 is like over 20k, right? Yeah. If you put 1k in it, you have over 200 grand right now. So it's difficult to do. I'm not saying it's easy. It's not easy to do, but it could be done. All right. So what else? What else have you? I'm looking at the headline. This website. It's called CryptoPanic.com. I love this site because it gives me a lot of information, man, that a lot of people don't even know of. Let me see. Bybits. Nah. Interpol seizes $100 million. Damn. Interpol seizes $100 million and 1,200 arrests in a massive crypto crime bust. I don't know where the hell they got that much money from. That's international though, right? I'm sure. IRS. Okay, yes. This is why the market pumped today. Jerome Powell, that's the head of the Fed. Jerome Powell hints at interest rate cuts. Wall Street cheers with big rally whenever they cut rates. So okay, this is what happens, right? Whenever they officially announce the rate cuts, markets go crazy. But when they cut rates, markets crash. When markets crash, they go to Valhalla after that. So we could see, it's like I did a study years ago where I counted in the past 20 years, every time they cut rates, the market crashes. And after that, it goes to Valhalla after that. So we're going to experience a massive crash coming. But after that, oh boy, just buckle up. That's why I'm talking about this stuff. Like, you guys need to understand, when are you selling? What was your strategy? Don't whenever you see, like, you, okay, I guess I'll tell you the indicator. A lot of you already know. If you follow me, you already know the indicators I use that tells me when you should be selling. But yeah, let me go through this real quick. Let me see. Bitcoin treasuries, Bitcoin returns. Look at it. Athena Labs approves Bitcoin XRP hyperliquid into asset backed by USD. Yeah, this protocol is gonna go crazy. This Athena project, Jesus, is lined with stable. It's gonna go nuts. The only problem is market cap is 4 billion. Even if this token does a 10x, that's 40 billion, right? I mean, you're not gonna make a lot of money from this. That's why I don't really, if you put in $100 into Athena, it does a 10x, you're gonna make 1K. That's it. So that's why I don't like talking about protocols like this, because it's already massive in market cap. What else do we have here? We have issuers keep filing ahead of expected crypto ETF launch frenzy. Remember, I told you guys this last year. There's 77 plus crypto ETFs pending approval. This was about November, December. You guys have to understand something, right? This is the reason why I like to look at everything. When people were saying it was dead, it was like 1,400 or sell your ETH, it was FUD. All I saw on the headlines was all these banks are positioning, doing all this stuff. That's why it's important to look outside your bubble. Like, I think outside your bubble, because what that does is it gives you informed to make decisions that won't make you sell your back early. While people were selling their ETH, I was buying. When people were selling Solana, I was buying, because I saw the news. I'm reading to you now, telling you that, hey, Market's gonna like it was it's very very simple. I said this like 4 or 5 months ago. The prices are down, fundamentals are up. Prices will catch up eventually. And look what happened. 6 months later, prices are catching up right now. And that's what's happening to the market. And it's beautiful to see. So there are many ETFs pending approval. Solana is going to get approved. XRP, Chainlink, all these tokens, HBAR, XLM, Polkadot, all these things are going to get ETFs. Because that's how big money bags, they don't have to go buy these assets on Coinbase. This is how you know the tokens are going to pop off in the future. But yeah, man. And another way to know, I spoke about this already. Because as of right now, even though people are getting excited, we're not even anywhere near. There's still, guys, right now, the market cap of crypto is 4 trillion. Based on the estimation of these big money bags, they're saying we're going to hit by 25 trillion in next 5-6 years. What do you think happens to your bags in next 5 to 6 years? Adding $20 trillion to the market cap of crypto. Guys, this game is game over, man. It is game over. So it's about to get crazy. It's about to get crazy. I'm here for it, right? I'm not going anywhere. This is why I was telling you guys, right? If there's anything you could do, find a way to build your own community, get a camera, start recording, start making content. Because there's going to be a day when you're going to have many more people coming into the crypto markets trying to get information. And your space, your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your community is who they could come to, is where they could come to get information from. And that's why I'm employing you guys, man. Get a phone and just start talking, man. All right, let me jump onto this real quick. So ETFs, there's like almost 80 ETFs, guys. 80 ETFs. I saw this announcement like 4 or 5 months ago. So when the prices were down, I'm like, yo, why are people scared? There's ETFs galore about to get approved, man. And what's driving ETH price is the ETFs, because big money bags, that's how they get exposure to crypto. So they want exposure to crypto, they buy ETFs. So that's why all these Cardano, all these big cap tokens are going to get ETFs. By the end of this year into next year, ETFs. And like I said before, it's very simple. I know a lot of people don't like Trump. I'll go back to that. Trump is single-handedly the reason why the market is doing this, especially for altcoins and ETH, because the US government was actively trying to kill the crypto industry in 2024. I saw this. I saw it live happen in the US. But because of how much money the crypto industry poured into the Trump campaign, they poured almost $300 million coming from the crypto industry alone. They poured that much money into the crypto market. So I think it just broke all-time high. I believe so. Let me see. I'm looking at, yeah, pretty close, man. I think it touched it and came down. Right now, ETH is 4,000. It touched it. I think he hit it. I saw people. My notifications came up. It must have touched it. But guys, like I said before, right? People celebrate all-time high. I have a lot of ETH, right? But I'm not. The real money is made on altcoins. That's the reason why they're very volatile, and that's the reason why they pump like crazy and then dump like crazy. Because I would never tell you to go buy ETH. That's not what that's what I'm telling. I wouldn't say that to you guys, right? What I'm saying is, I want you guys to find projects that Ethereum aligned, the RWAs on ETH, the meme coins on ETH, the DeFi on ETH, NFTs on ETH. That's how you make money from this play. But as of right now, nah, man. things go crazy when ETH goes in full price discovery. Right now, ETH is 4,881. We want ETH to be chilling above 6,000. Because look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke 100K the first time and crashed to 75K. And after that, what happened? Bitcoin went from 75K to over 120 grand, just like that. It took like 5-6 months. So I said this before. The same thing, the same exact thing that the whales, the big money bags, they did to Bitcoin. They're doing the exact same thing to Ethereum right now. Ethereum, the same movement. It's they're mirroring the same move. I knew this was going to happen. I just didn't know it was going to happen this soon, because I said it yesterday, a couple days ago. We have a couple of catalysts that could change the dynamic of crypto right now. The first one was Jerome Powell and the Fed cutting rates. The second was Ukraine and Russia war, peace talks, and the stock market, the U.S. stock markets. As long as those three things are aligned, guys, this game over, man. But like I said, the market is mature. This is not 2021 where we're having 300x in one day. No, we have a more mature market now, which means Ethereum, Bitcoin, they're going to go slowly up, very, very slow. Very slow. It could take 6 months before ETH could get 6K, or 8 months. So what I'm saying is, right now, market's interesting. Just get positioned, because I don't know what happens within the next 6 months. If we see ETH above 5K, 5,000 to 300, pay attention to the markets. And let me give you guys the indicators I use. I might write this down for you guys real quick. Maybe what I'll do is let me see. I'm gonna write it now. I'm gonna write it down now, so you guys know, right? So the couple of indicators I use that tells you when to sell. Because the worst thing about crypto is they never tell you when to sell. Everybody celebrates buy. They never tell you when to sell. Okay. So there are numerous indicators I look at that tells me long term, short term. I'm just gonna tell you all of it. The first one is, let me share my screen again, is the Fear and Greed Index, which that was more of a short term stuff. The Fear and Greed Index is applicable, is good for the short term. And let me give you guys that. Let me show you guys real quick. Where is that? Share screen. Awesome. You guys see me, you watching me here. Let me see what's up to you guys in on YouTube and crypto, Twitter Live. Dynasty, Tommy in the house. We got Lily Finance. What's up, bro? Change the PFP. I see you. Pandora, Silence. We got a Blockchain Baby and KO in the house, man. I see all of you there. Gaga, what's up? Weston. I see the homies in there. Big ups to you all. Happy weekend. Happy Friday. All right, so let me show you guys real quick. Fear and Greed Index is on CoinMarketCap. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna make a tweet about this, right? But I'm not going. Maybe what I'll do is, because I want to give you the links also. That's another thing. I want to give you the links. So what I'll do is this. I'll probably make that tweet later, because I don't want to be researching now when I'm live right now, man. So I'll just talk about them. So this is it right here. The first one is, maybe I should make that tweet now, man. Yeah, fuck it. I'm just gonna do it. So these are very easy to find, right? Easy to find. Let me see. Altcoin season. Altcoin season is coming. Altcoin season. Altcoin season is coming. Coming soon. Here are the indicators. Here are the indicators. Indicators. Here are the indicators I recommend to help you sell when it's time. When it's time to take profits. To take profits. All right. So first one is I'm just gonna use let me just do this real quick. I'm gonna say Coinbase Coinbase app uh Coinbase app rank. Uh Coinbase app rank in the Apple in the App Store. In the App Store. Cool. That's the first one. So the rank, so you guys know, right? Of course, the richest country in the world is the US, right? And it's pretty cool, which is beautiful, right? And you want US to be bullish in crypto because they have all the money, they have the world reserve currency. They move markets. So you want the richest country in the world to be bullish your asset class, right? So whenever the richest country in the world, the citizens, the people in this country that live here, US citizens, whenever they have a lot of money in their pockets, which is going to be very soon, because we just saw the rate cuts coming soon, right? Whenever they have a lot of money in their pockets, they start to buy crypto. They can't buy crypto unless they download the Coinbase app. Once they download the Coinbase app rank skyrockets. Okay, as of right now, Coinbase app rank right now is like 300 or 280 or something. So when this app gets to top 10, just sell everything. That's the thing, right? Coinbase app rank in the App Store. Let me just put like uh rank. Let me see if rank is top 10. If rank is top 10. If rank this is probably this is more important than any alpha I'll ever give you. This might be the most important alpha you've ever heard in your life, because nobody would give you this stuff. A lot of you that follow me, you already know. A lot of you already know this already. The first one, Coinbase app rank in the App Store. If rank is top 10, sell everything. I don't care. Sell everything. Everything. Boom. Number two is the total 3. That's a little bit not. I don't want to complicate this. Okay, let me see. Let me just use a Bitcoin dominance instead. Bitcoin dominance and all these things. You can kind of check it. You can Google this if you need to. Or ask questions. I could explain in more detail. Bitcoin dominance is another one. Bitcoin dominance basically is the market cap of Bitcoin versus everything else in crypto. Okay. So as of right now, the market cap of Bitcoin is at the Bitcoin dominance right now is 57.7%. That's still pretty high. We cannot have true alt season if Bitcoin dominance is at 50 some high 50s. Whenever Bitcoin dominance goes down below 50%, sell everything. If you ever see Bitcoin dominance at 40, 45, 48%, Jesus Christ. Your money right now in your portfolio will be up 30x. So that's why it takes a long time, guys. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow. It takes a long time. So I'm going to write this right now. Bitcoin dominance. I'll say below 50%. Bitcoin dominance percentage below 50%. I'll say 50. It's hard to say though. Okay, let me just be. Let me see. I'm going to say Bitcoin dominance. I'll say below 40%. Let me use let me just, I don't think we'll ever get here. Bitcoin dominance at 42%. Jesus Christ. If this ever happens, oh my God. If you ever see Bitcoin dominance at 40, yo. Okay. Bitcoin dominance, let me do a range. That'll be better. Between 42% to let me do like 52%. Yeah, sell everything. I don't care. Yo, yo. So the Coinbase app is number one. Number two, these are altcoin season indicators right here. Let me see. Altcoins. Here are altcoin season, altcoin season, altcoin season, altcoin season. Okay, here are altcoin season indicators I recommend to help you sell when it's time to take profits and retire. If this happens, you're retiring. If you've hold the right assets here, you're gonna retire. You're going to make the most money you've ever made in your life. Let me say this real quick. Let me just make sure I don't. Okay, cool. So I'm going through the indicators. When there are three of them right now. I'm saving. I'm making the tweet live right now. I just don't want to forget any. So Bitcoin dominance, Coinbase app, Total 3 is another one, but I don't. That's it's not complicated. It's not complicated, but it's similar to what Bitcoin dominance is, because when Bitcoin dominance goes very, very, very low, altcoin dominance goes higher, and Total 3 goes higher. I don't want to talk about Total 3. That's I could mention it. I could mention it, but all these things you could easily ask Grok, about this. Total 3. I'm just gonna write this. Total 3 is another one. Total 3 is another one. This one you could probably just ask Grok or ask AI, or Google it. Probably just tell you. What other thing? I think because they always say, if your taxi driver or your grandma's talking about crypto, that's also true, but that's very relative. But these indicators are 100% foolproof. 100%. I'm just trying to think what else. These are the three main ones. Fear and greed index also, but that's more short term. But I'm going to use that too, because fear and greed index, when you see a fear and greed index and you see extreme greed, right? You guys are watching me. If you watching me live right now, or you on YouTube, you can see if you see the fear and greed index at extreme greed, and you see it at 95, 97, 98, that's extreme greed. Right now, the number is at 46, which is neutral. You're selling. The problem with this indicator is very short term. So this one, I won't say sell everything for this one. All these indicators, you could use them in combination. That might be the best foolproof way to tell you when it's time to sell everything. Yeah, so I don't know. Frank Grid Index, I like this one, but it's let me use Total 3 is good, because Total 3 is similar to fair. Let me use a fair and greed index. Fair and greed index. Fair and greed index. Yep. These are my three. There are other ones also, but I like these. And I'll recommend you. Look here. Let me just put. I'm just gonna put like X. If you ever see extreme greed, sell everything. Yes. And if you ever see extreme fear, you're buying as much as you possibly can. Because we saw this. When I saw extreme fear was when Ethereum was at 1,400. When people were saying ETH was dead. That's when I bought a bunch of ETH. That's when I bought a bunch of Sol. Yeah. So it goes either way. So let me see. Altcoin season is coming soon. Here are altcoin season indicators I recommend to help you sell when it's time to take profit and retire. Wait, oh yep, true. Coinbase app rank in App Store. Let me see. Coinbase app rank App Store. If rank is top 10, sell everything. Bitcoin dominance percentage between let me see. Then fair and greed index, extreme greed. Altcoin season is coming soon. Okay, let me. I'm gonna make that tweet now because I want you guys to have this in the back of your head, man. Because this is gonna help you. This is you want to retire, right? You want to retire. I'm giving you the tools here. So this is your avenue. This is how you retire. And I was 1 foot in into retirement. Unfortunately, I didn't understand what I needed to do. This information I'm giving you now, I didn't have it. If I had the same information I'm giving you now, we game over. Bye, Leah. Bye, Season. Okay. Bye, big girl. Yeah, that's my daughter, man. She's going to ballet or gymnastics or something. So I'm on post this real quick. Give me 1 second. One sec. I'm looking. I'm trying to post this, but I want to add a photo to it or something. Yes, I'm giving you guys. There's probably a lot more indicators, but these three, if you combine them, and I'm going to go through them again because this is going to. You want to retire, you want to buy your mama house, you want to leave your girlfriend and get another girlfriend. This is how you do it. You want to go to Dubai and go pop bottles. This is it. If you have this information in your back pockets, when it's time, you won't be disappointed. When it's time, it's time. But you can't do this if you don't know what to do because you're going to experience something that's going to mess you up if you don't have this information in your back pocket. Let me see. Let me just do this. Let me do this real quick. I'm just gonna. Let me see. Let me see here. Okay. Let me use. Boom. Done. All right. Okay. Let me just read it again. Altcoin season is coming soon. Let's see. 1 second. Coming soon. Altcoin season indicator I recommend to help you sell when it's time to take profits and retire. Okay, so Coinbase app rank App Store. In App Store. If rank is top 10, sell everything. Yeah, man. Yep. It doesn't hold if it does get that high. Fair and greed index. Bitcoin dominance. Yep. All right, I just posted this. Let me pin it for you guys. I'm gonna pin it so in case you guys want to use this stuff. This thing has been in my back pocket for the past 4 years, man. Because I was 1 foot in. You guys don't know my story. I have a couple of you might know it, but I was 1 foot into Valhalla. What messed me up was I didn't have the right information. The information that could have retired my bloodline 10 times over. I didn't have it. That's what I'm giving to you guys now. So check the pin post. If you on YouTube or Twitter Live, check my Twitter page. I just posted it. The indicator that's gonna help you retire. It's so easy. You could use all three combined. Okay. The first one is, I'm saying it again, the Coinbase app is very, very simple. And as a matter of fact, there's actually I'm gonna post this in comments. There's a Twitter page dedicated to tracking Coinbase rank app. Right now, the Coinbase app rank is 328. Insane. And we are almost at all-time high, guys. We're going to Valhalla. It is disgusting. So check the pin post. I recommend you guys. Let me so check the comments. Let me see. Let me post this again. Check the comments in this post right here, and you guys could follow this account. Follow this account with your notifications turned on, because if you it tells you with the rank every day. It posts this automatically. So follow this account with your notifications turned on, because if you do, then you can see what the rank of Coinbase is. Because if you ever, I don't care whatever you hear, if you ever see the Coinbase app at number 10, sell everything. I don't care what you hold it. I don't care. Everything is sold. Don't hold anything, because you do not want to be in the same position I was in. I didn't understand all this stuff, so I held on to my tokens. I should have sold. I didn't know, so I had close to almost a seven-digit portfolio. I wrote it down to 5. It took me 4 years to basically get up to 6 again. I'm not trying to boast. I'm not here for that. I don't give a fuck about that, guys. I don't care, guys. You know me. I want you guys to win. I'm not here to show off. I want you guys to win, and you guys are not going to win if you don't understand when you sell. I'm just giving you alpha, because we're getting to the place where this is the first time Ethereum has been this high in 4 fucking years. So can you imagine 4 years? This is the highest ETH has been in 4 years, which means like, are you telling me people are going to wait 4 years and now sell? Of course, they're not gonna sell now. Are they crazy? That's not gonna happen. The same thing happened to Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke all-time high the first time, touched 100K, went down 30%, went to like 77K, went up to 120K. I'm seeing the same things possibly happen with ETH. ETH actually got pretty close in November. I think we touched almost 4K in November, and we crashed to 1700 or 1480. And now look where we are now. So we could be seeing 6K ETH soon. My only thing, because guys, I don't talk about this too often, but we're getting closer to the place where you guys are about to make the most money you've ever made in your life. Maybe not today, but in the next between the next 2 to 3 years. Because I'm looking at the Trump administration, and I'm seeing what's happening overall. What I'm seeing is there's a lot of money pouring into altcoins now. And when that happens, we're going to see numbers that we've never seen before. But you guys need to know what to do when we get there. And that's why I'm pushing this shit, man. I don't want you guys to go through what I went through, man. Seeing your portfolio lose thousands and thousands of dollars, and there's nothing you could do because you don't know what to do. So it's very, very simple. Check the pin post, check my Twitter page. You see the Coinbase app tracker. Follow that Twitter page. I pinned it up here. Here. Check the pin post. Follow that page. If you ever see that rank number 10, sell everything. That's the first thing. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance right now is 57%. If you ever see Bitcoin dominance break below 50, Jesus Christ, it's not even about that. Okay, so imagine you guys have 1K right now in your portfolio. Bitcoin dominance goes below 50K. Your 1K will be worth probably 100 grand on 90K. 90 grand will be sitting in your wallet. The problem is this: you're going to have 90 grand in your wallet. A crypto Twitter would tell you, oh, hold. That's what happened to me. Don't let that happen to you, because you're going to make a lot of money and you're going to be seeing your portfolio sitting on hundreds of thousands. Crypto Twitter is telling you, oh, hold. You're going to see influencers telling you, bro, we're going to Valhalla. We're going to 1 million. Nah, man. You already have the weapon already. I've given you the answer. This is more important than any other alpha I'll ever give you. Every Saturday, we host the largest. Every Saturday, I host the largest airdrop show in crypto live. The largest live airdrop show in crypto. I host it. It's been a year and a half I've been doing that shit. No problem. This information I'm giving you now is 10 times. It is 1,000 times more important than what I tell you on Saturdays. Because Saturdays, I tell you, oh, go do this. We exchange alpha, do this airdrop. We make money here, make money there. But we never talk about when do you sell. And we are seeing little signs. I'm not saying that we're pumping tomorrow, no, or Monday, no. What I'm saying is when you start seeing tokens breaking all-time highs, we just saw BNB break all-time high. We've seen ETH break all-time high. We've seen Bitcoin break all-time high. We've seen XRP almost break all-time high. We're seeing these tokens get close. Very, very soon, all of them will break all-time high. And you're going to be in a position where, oh, should I hold or should I sell? But if you have the information I'm giving you now, you're good to go. You have no worries. So just get ready. Things are going to get very, very interesting. But I'm not saying it's happening today or tomorrow. I'm just saying just have this information now. Study this information, and this is going to help you protect your money. You're going to buy the house you've been trying to buy. You want to buy your mama house, buy your mama car. This is how you do it, and this is how it happens, man. So I don't want you guys to go through what I went through, man. It wasn't pleasant, man. It wasn't pleasant to see all your money just evaporate right in front of you, and there's nothing you could do because you don't know. You don't know what you don't know. That's why I booked bear markets for 3 years ago, man. I spent 2 years studying the markets, studying everything. What is total 3? What is Bitcoin dominance? What is market cap? What is volume? What's trading volume? What is Coinbase app? What is everything? Everything I had to go study because I was like, wait, so why did I fail last bull? And this is the reason why I'm hounding this shit because if we ain't going spaces, guys, I don't know. It's so weird. It's so strange. People don't talk about this shit, man, which blows my mind. They don't, man. They really it doesn't make any sense. The most important thing to talk about in crypto is when you get this money, what do you do with it? Do you just hold? Because you guys are gonna have the most intoxicating environments. You're going to be sitting on the most money you've ever seen in your life, and you're going to be like, oh, I'm holding, because crypto Twitter is going to go crazy. Look what happened to Yeezy yesterday or 2 days ago. Yeezy launched Kanye West launched a token. It did $3 billion in FDV in 21 minutes. The biggest influencers in crypto were shilling this thing. People were FOMO in buying this thing. I was like, I would never touch this thing because I knew, you know why? I saw everybody on crypto Twitter talking about Yeezy. Less than 24 hours later, Yeezy is down 71%. You're going to see the exact same thing when the when altcoin season happens. When altcoin season happens, not this bullshit we're seeing now. The true altcoin season, When it happens, you're going to be in the position sitting on the most money you've ever seen in your life, and you're going to be tempted to hold it. But I'm giving you the information that will help you sell, because you're like, oh, Coinbase app rank, Coinbase app in App Store is so simple. I've given you the website to track it. Check my Twitter page. Let me retweet this thing so you guys can see it. If you watch me on YouTube right now or Twitter live, just go to my Twitter page and you can see the most recent tweet. Follow that page with notifications turned on. They will tell you where we are. And this is the reason why I'm like, we're going so much higher. I said this last year. Last year, Bitcoin touched 100K, broke all-time high. But Coinbase app, the rank wasn't high. It was low. I'm like, yo, this is gonna go a lot higher, man. What happened? Boom. Right now, as of right now, the app rank, the Coinbase rank is 300 and something, and ETH is at all-time high. What? What? Do you know what that means? Oh my god! So guys, look, very simple. Look at Bitcoin dominance between anything below 51%. But the funny thing is, I'm not even gonna wait till then. If I see Bitcoin dominance at like 55 or 54, I'm gonna probably start to scale out. I'm probably gonna start selling some. If you ever see Bitcoin dominance break below 50%, Jesus Christ, this is why I keep saying this: sell everything, sell everything. Because when that happens, Coinbase app is going to be top 10. Fear and greed index is going to be extreme greed for like 2-3 weeks straight. It's going to happen again. It's not guaranteed, but it's going to happen again, pretty close to it. Human nature, we're all greedy, right? And that's the reason why everything repeats all the time. We get this boom and this bust. So ETH is all-time high, man. So let me check the price. ETH right now, it broke all-time high. It broke all-time high, but it's like 4,800. There's a lot of shorts right now, a lot of shorts. A lot of big money bags are shorting the markets. I'm not even, for me right now, I'm not here to short along unless for advances, but I have a lot of ETH. I'm not trying to sell my ETH. The real money for me, I want to make multi-millions. Those will come for altcoins, not from Ethereum. Because Ethereum right now, market cap of Ethereum is $588 billion, man. I mean, if you're buying ETH right now, you must be a multimillionaire. And that's why I will never tell you to buy ETH unless you're spending 30, 40, 80K, 100K. But you cannot be buying ETH at 1K. No, that doesn't make any sense. If you want to buy for the long term, okay, no problem. You want to make real money in crypto, altcoins. That's where the real money is. At the same time, is the highest risk. So that's why I'm like, you want to get in the position where, because the market is shifted. Let me actually give you guys. Let me tell you the assets. The best way to find the assets that's probably going to pop off in the next 2 to 3 years. Let me see. Robinhood. I spoke about this earlier. I'm gonna say it again. Oh, give me one sec. I just got a text. 1 second. The wifey don't text me. I don't know what she said. Something. The cut speech. The cut up. The two and right. Oh, okay. No worries. I think the wifey just sent me some message about food in the oven. All right. So yeah. So this is how you know the assets are gonna pop up. I'm gonna tell you, Robin. I'm gonna make a tweet about this also too right now. So you guys, I'm gonna give you guys all the information. Robinhood crypto assets. Robinhood crypto assets. So Robinhood is one of the most popular stock trading apps in the US. but they just veered into crypto about a year and a half ago. And the crypto industry actually saved that company because they made a bunch of money towards the end of a year and a half ago. And because they've gone all into crypto now. So now they offer stocks, they offer ETFs, and they listed a bunch of cryptos in the past year. Okay, so crypto, Robinhood crypto list. So the reason why I'm saying this, Robinhood is natively all crypto. I'm sorry, Coinbase is natively all crypto. Robinhood is another one. Robinhood, this one is the most newbie app in the US. I'm speaking strictly about America because, like I said before, this country has a lot of fucking money, man. These people are insane in this place, and they like to spend when they have a lot of money. As of right now, they don't. If they did, they would have bought crypto already, and that's why Coinbase app is still ranked 300 right now. So Robinhood crypto list. Let me tell you right now, which cryptos are listed on Robinhood. Let me go to your website. Cryptos are available. I'll tell you guys right now, and I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make a tweet about this so you guys have the list. These are long-term plays. These are not like I want to retire. No, these are long-term plays. But if you already hold these, you're good to go, man. If you hold these, you are good to go. All right, let me give you the list. All these projects, actually, almost all these projects are going to get the ETF. 100%. 100%. Robinhood is the newbie capital of America when it comes to trading. But now that they listed crypto, Jesus Christ. Okay, so Robinhood, I'll make a tweet about this and I'll post this. You guys could save it. So if you already have these assets, your job is not to sell them right now. It's not time yet. It's not the time. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Aave, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Bitcoin Cash, Bonk, Cardano, Miel, Chainlink, Compound, Dogwitch Hack, Ethereum Classic, Floki, Hedera, Mudang, official Trump token, Ondo Finance, Peanuts, Pepe, Pengu, that's Penguins, Pengu, Popcat, Solana, Sui, XLM, Tezos, Uniswap, and XRP. All these assets are going to Valhalla because they listed on Coinbase. I'm sorry, they listed on Robinhood. Because whenever Americans have money, of course they're going to buy crypto, sure. But the majority of them are going already have a Robinhood app because they're trading stocks. They're going to buy these assets, and Jesus, these people are absolutely insane. Crypto people are not bad. The reason why we make money is because of them. We make money not because of us. Crypto natives make money because of these people, the people that use the Robinhood app. Robinhood app, those people that are there, when they start buying, oh my God, just get ready, man. But we're not even anywhere near. Because like I said, I'm gonna say it again. The average American is broke as fuck right now because we've been in a high interest rate environment for a long time. And just this morning, Jerome Powell hinted at a rate cut, which sent ETH to all-time high, sent the markets going crazy, just from hinting at it. So once the U.S. government starts to cut rates, of course, the way the game is played is this. They're going to cut rates. We're going to crash. Once it crash, we go to Valhalla. We go to Valhalla after that. So I expect markets to go crazy. Probably, it all depends. I'm not sure how much they're going to cut rates. But as of right now, houses in the U.S. are the most expensive they've ever been. People are still buying, but it's expensive, so they're not buying as much. They're not borrowing money as much. And it's cars are geez, Cars are almost 3 times the price than they used to be. About 4 or 5 years ago, a Benz or BMW, a 5 Series BMW and an E-Class used to cost average 45,000, 50,000. These cars now are going for 89 grand, 90 grand for the base model base. This is the reason why a lot of people are not spending money. If Americans don't have money, they can't buy our assets. That's the reason why I look at the Coinbase app all the time. And because what happens is once they flush with cash, they start to buy. When they start to buy, they have to download the Coinbase app, and that rank skyrockets. Robinhood goes crazy and start buying. So all these assets on Robinhood, I'm gonna make a tweet about this. Let me see. Maybe let me see. Let me see. Let me see if I could get Grok to give me this list real quick. I don't want to interrupt the show. Okay, I'll type it. I don't want to speak. Let me type in list of Robinhood, because I'm posting this for you guys. I want you guys to have a bookmarked. Save it, even if you can. Memorize this, all these assets, because you already know. If you already hold them, you're fine. I'm not saying buying them, but these assets are already big in market cap. What I'm saying is, if you already hold them, no problem. If you want to buy meme coins, these are the ones you want to be buying for when that time comes. List of Robinhood crypto assets. List of Robinhood crypto assets. Okay, Grok's gonna give it to me. I'm gonna just tweet it from here so you guys can see it. So for me, I have personally, I'll tell you what I have. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at it. Yeah. Grok is awesome. Look at this shit. Yeah, he has them all, man. All right, so can I tweet this? Yes, perfect. I'm just gonna tweet this live. So okay, done. I just tweeted it. So if you're watching me on YouTube, if you're on Twitter Live, just go to my Twitter page right now, and I just posted it. Let me see. Let me see if I could do. Let me see if I could screenshot this thing so I could. You guys have a better outlook, because a lot of these assets are going to get ETFs. Majority of them, because they're already on Robinhood. Robinhood is like almost like the #1 trading platform for newbies in America. Like not for crypto though, but like in general. But there's crypto assets on this platform. So I'm going to let me do edits. Let me do this. Can I add? Let me do cuts. All right, cool. I'm going to change this. I'm going to do is this. And I'm going to add okay, full list here. Full list of Robinhood crypto assets. All this information I'm giving you is 1,000 times better than what I give you on Saturday on the airdrop show. The airdrop show tells you how to make money, yes, but it doesn't tell you what to do when you make your money. Full list of Robinhood assets, link below. Perfect. Link below. Perfect. Update done. Okay, cool. All right, I just posted again a much better format. So check my Twitter page right now and check my you guys see this list. If you already have these assets, you guys are good to go. For me, I have a lot of ETH. We have Bitcoin, we have ETH, we have Arbitrum, Chainlink, a lot of Chainlink, and I have PayPay, and that's about it. And Solana, and that's it. But these are long-term plays, guys. These are not plays where you can make $1 million from. No, if you want to make $1 million, you need to go find the gems on yeah, go to trenches and go find the gems that go do 100x. Like for example, I look at BNB. BNB did over 200x, right? But it took 7 years, right? So I mean, these plays are more for long-term plays, but the real money is made in a lot of ways. Most of it you could make it from the meme coin trading, but meme coins are difficult because of pump fund. Pump fund has destroyed the meme coin trading because before pump fund, all we used to do before would just go to CoinGecko or Dex Tools and just buy like 10 meme coins and hold it. That's it. But now there's like they said there's like 9 million meme coins created per day. 9 million. How are you supposed to find which one will do well? But if you want to buy meme coins that's gonna give you a nice return, you could look at I'm sorry, excuse me. You can look at the Robinhood list. The Robinhood list, the meme coins on here. Let me see. Where's that list? The meme coins on the Robinhood list. Let's see. Where did you go? The meme coin, yeah, on the Robinhood list. These meme coins will give you a 10 to 20x, a 10 to 20x almost guaranteed. We're talking full bull market though, full bull market. I'll say Popcats, Pengu, Peanuts, Trump, Mudang, Floki, that's 6, Dog Witch Hat, that's 7, Meow, that's 8, Bonk, that's 9. That's it. I can't count Shiba or Pepe or Dogecoin. These guys are already too big because the market caps of the Popcats and these guys are already like, well, the market caps like 5 billion or 3 billion. So you could probably do like a 10x on them, a 10x, a 10 to 20x in between is a range. So your 1K could flip it to 10K. Your $500 you could flip it to 5K. But that's full bull market. Or worst case scenario, you could do like a 5 to 8x. So your 1K, you could get like 8K from it, maybe 5K from it. But when we see that $20 trillion market cap for crypto that these people are predicting, not me, that the richest people in the world are predicting prices for us now. Whenever that time comes, which it will again, it's just human nature. The reason why I know it's going to happen again is human greed is consistent. Like, it's been 4 years. It's been 4 years since we've had Bitcoin ETH to be this high. XRP took 7 years for XRP to get to prices it is at right now. BNB took the all-time high. BNB took 6 years, about 7 years for BNB to hit these numbers. So you see what I'm saying? Like, this game we're playing, it's a long-term game, and it's fascinating because human nature doesn't change. People are greedy. That's the reason why we're going to see a mass hysteria. It might not be like what we experienced 4 years ago, but we're going to see something crazy in the near future. But the difference now versus 4 years ago is we have the richest people in the world are buying crypto now. We didn't have BlackRock aping into crypto like they're doing now. We don't have the richest banks in the world openly telling you they're going to launch their own stablecoin blockchain. Fidelity wants to do a 401k. Bro, do you understand what that means? 401k in the US, that is the retirement for the working class. So when people work, they take, like, I think a good percentage of their money they get from work, they put it in their retirement. Now, they don't manage their retirement actively. They put it into the retirement. There's a company that manages their retirement for them. And these companies will choose to invest that money into stocks, into gold, into silver, into oil, into tech stocks, into crypto, which Trump just signed an executive order a couple weeks ago saying that he's allowing 401k companies to put crypto in retirement. Do you understand how much money is in American retirement? Jesus. I remember when, guys, I'm giving you hopium. This is the reason why. Look, you guys know me. We talk on shows. I'm here every day. You will never hear me talk about this all the time. Do you know why? Because we're not even anywhere near. But I like to remind people this stuff because it gives you an indication of what is going to happen in the future. Nothing's guaranteed, but for sure. But you could kind of see the signs, man. The signs are all there. Okay. Okay. So as of right now, let me check. Grok, how much, let me see. Let me ask Grok, how much money, how much cash, in, how much cash in total? In total, I'm gonna break you guys' brain right now to show you how crazy things about to get soon. How much cash in total is in cash in total is in American 401k combined. I want to do combined. I don't want an individual. I want to combined. I'm asking Grok real quick just to show you guys how things about to get crazy out here, man. Okay, Grok, I hope you give me good response because I'm still thinking. I hope I worded this improperly, but I know it's in the multi trillion. I want to know the exact number. It's not giving me the number. Okay. I might ask ChatGPT. Give me a second. Let me just give me a second. Grok is slow. Let me just go to ChatGPT and see if it could tell me exactly what I want to know. How much in cash in total? Okay. As of okay. As of March. Oh my God, this is insane. Okay. The total US retirement in assets as of March. Guys, this is March. We're not talking about August. $45 trillion. No, I take that back. Yeah. 45 trillion is what is in the 401ks. The 401ks in the pockets of Americans right now. So whenever these companies start to allow American citizens to put 401ks in, to put crypto into retirement, guys, 43 trillion. That's just the US alone, not including other countries. This is the news I've been seeing for the past year. This is the reason why I didn't sell my ETH when we were at 1400. I bought a bunch of ETH. I bought a bunch of SOL like 6 months ago, because I saw all these news. I've been seeing these news every day because I do this show every day. Not the weekend show. The weekend show, we talk about airdrop, but the weekday shows is all about macro. There is a wall of money pouring into this industry in the future. This is the reason why you will never hear me talk about prices, because I look at the macro numbers. I'm looking at what's happening around me. I'm looking at, there's going to be a day when people will be putting their 401k into Bitcoin, into Solana. Do you understand how much money that is? So when they say, this is not just me. Like I said, this is what, like, this is coming from institutions that have done the research. They spend money to do this. They're saying by 2035, we're looking at between 20 to 25 trillion dollars added onto the crypto markets. How much do you think ETH is going to be by then, or Solana or Bitcoin? This is the reason why I'm a big believer in long term. I'll say it again. Look at Chainlink, look at BNB, look at Solana, look at ETH, look at Bitcoin. Of course, not all assets would perform the same way, but if you hold the right assets, and remember, all these assets have done all these things before we have full adoption. We don't have full adoption yet. We don't. Full adoption comes when most people around the world, they could put their 401ks, their retirement into crypto. Full adoption comes when your mom is invested into crypto and she doesn't even know it. That's happening to right now with stocks. Stocks have been fully adopted for years, right? A lot of people that they have stocks that they don't even know, because they put a small amount of money into their retirement, and the company that manages their retirement buys stocks for them. They don't even know that they have stocks. The same thing is going to happen to crypto. This is the reason why I'm all about fundamentals, because to me, that makes more sense, because, you know, guys, because we're moving to an age of where AI is going to take over. The days of cash is done. Cash is over. Those days are done. And the closest thing to transfer assets is using blockchain tech. This is the reason why banks were trying to kill the crypto industry in the US, because banks don't want adoption for Web3, because they don't have exposure. Thankfully, Trump got in and allowed devs to build and companies to build. And that's the reason why we're having all these projects launched in the US. A lot of devs are coming back to the US now. They're moving to New York. They poured $300 million into the Trump campaign in November. Guys, Trump has been in power for 6 months. Look what's happened in crypto for the past 6 months. ETH all-time high, Bitcoin all-time high, XRP almost all-time high, Solana almost all-time high. Look what's happened in 6 months. Do you understand that the Trump family, they have a crypto ETF now? They have a mining company. They have NFT collections. They have DeFi borrowing and lending protocol. They have their own stablecoin. Why? Why do they go all in crypto? Because they understand that there's so much money coming in this industry that hasn't been tapped yet. So this is the reason why I keep telling people long term. That's how you make money in crypto. The real money in crypto is made. Hey, Pink Uni, you can come up, bro. I saw you requested the mic earlier. You dropped off, so come up if you want to. This is for you guys. Guys, if you want to request the mic, man, go, guys. Let's yak. We've been on, man. That's crazy. We've been on the show for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm live on YouTube. I'm live on Twitter Live. I'm live here. We have 215 live viewers on Twitter Live and YouTube. Big ups to you all, and I see you guys here in Spaces. So if you guys want to talk, request the mic. We're just talking today. I'm giving you Max Hopium. Max Hopium is what I'm giving you right now. Of course, pullbacks are coming. That's normal. That's not. I'm just telling you what's coming in the future. I'm not telling you that we're going to 100K tomorrow. I'm not saying that. Hey,
I love your stream, man. I love it.
Pink Uni, what's up, bro? Are your bags packed yet, bro?
Dude, they're packed. I got all the shitters ready to go. I'm loving it. You talked about 23 trillion for the hedge funds. I like my brain had like an orgasm when you said that. It was nuts.
Bro, it's actually 46 trillion. Bro, no, it's 46 trillion.
Oh, it's 20. Oh God.
46 trillion is what is in a 401k. Is because all they need to do is put 1%. It's not even about if, when it's going to happen. It's not even if.
Going on, Shane. Did you see this? The EU's talking about that now. I hate the CBDCs, but now they're talking about putting the CBDC on Solana.
No, bro.
Case. Like I can't even handle it.
So the CBDC is already here. CBDC is USDC and USDT because that's how it's and if you guys realize this, that's why they're trying to pass the whole stablecoin bills because stablecoin wars are here. We're going to have multiple banks, multiple companies own their own stablecoins. That's the CBDC, bro. That's it, bro.
I love it. It's great. I don't really have much to add. I just wanted to shout a lot of love and say you're doing a good job. And
nah, bro, nah, it's so good, man. Nah, I want people to make money, man, because I don't want them to lose it. So if you just join the space right now, go to my page, go to the pinned post. I made 2 posts. Just read this stuff and save it. This is going to help you. When the time comes, I don't know when it's going to come. Whenever it does, it's going to happen again. We're going to see insane numbers, and you need to know when to sell. So check the pin post. You need to study what I put up there is easy. I also put up the assets to own. If you own these assets, you're good to go. Just own them. I'm not saying don't buy them now unless. If you're going to buy any of the Robinhood assets, I'll say buy the meme coins because those ones will pop up more than the other ones. But if you hold any of these assets, the Robinhood assets I put up, you're going to do very, very well. But I'm excited, man. But I mean, like we're not even anywhere near because I'm looking at what I'm looking at, bro. Like people are not buying crypto right now, man. The people buying crypto are institutions, man. It's not me, it's not you, because like I said before, like just in a couple of days, we've had at one point we had 500 million in one day go into the Ethereum ETF, and Bitcoin was like 120 million in one day. Those are bro. We got no in November. I think November. I saw a report. There were 78 ETFs on the desk of the SEC chairman. We're going to have ETFs for all these assets, and when that happens too, that's more liquidity. And remember, and these ETFs, they have to buy these assets on the open markets. So guys, I'm not saying we're going to buy tomorrow. What I'm saying is things about to get crazy. I don't know when. That's the only problem is we don't know when. I don't know because like I said, guys, ETH has been down for 4 years, man. For 4 years, it's been down against a Bitcoin. For 7 years, XRP has been down. So all these assets are popping up one by one. Right now, I'm like, all these numbers are insane, but the real retail are not here yet. So when they come, how high do these prices go? Bro, I'm just enjoying the vibe, man. I'm not even look.
I think it just pumps in October like usual. I mean, like what do you think?
No. See, so we saw Coinbase. I'm sure you guys know Coinbase. Coinbase is the #1 crypto company in America. They made a report publicly saying alt season in let me see. I could type it. I think they said alt season in October or September. I'm not sure. They made a report on their page. They announced it like 2 weeks ago. All season in October or September. But I don't know what that means because all season to me could be different from all season to them. For me, all season to me is Bitcoin dominance below 50%. I don't know if that's going to happen. I don't know. But that's all season to me. That's why I decided to make that tweet. So this is probably the most valuable information I will give anyone. Please, I am begging you, go to my Twitter page. It's free. I don't want your money. I want you guys to make money. I don't want you to lose money. Go to my Twitter page. Bookmark the information I put up. Look at the pinned post. I'm going to pin again here. I'm going to pin it again so it's more recent. Check the pinned post here that I put up right here. It shows you, I'm going to read it again. Altcoin season coming soon. Altcoin season indicators I recommend to help you sell when it's time to take profits and retire. The Coinbase app rank, that's the first one. If that app rank hits number one, top 10, sell everything. The next one is Bitcoin dominance. If you ever see Bitcoin dominance between 42% to 50%, sell everything. I don't know the exact number. That's why I give a range. And the next one is the Fear and Greed Index. That one is more of a short-term thing. But if you see extreme greed, then sell stuff. But the first two, as a matter of fact, I'll use all three combined as an indicator. So when it's time for me, because the reason why I'm putting this stuff out, because I envision the future. I don't know when it's going to be. I envision the future when you're going to sign into your wallet. You're going to see the most money you've ever seen in your fucking life. And you're going to be tempted not to sell. That's what happened to me 4 years ago. I'm saying again. I rolled almost a 7-digit portfolio down to fucking low fives, man. I went. It was one of the worst times. I couldn't believe it. I missed out on $23 million gain from SHIB. I bought SHIB for 3 to 5 ETH at the bottom when it first came out. I sold for 20K. My 20K. If I didn't sell, I would have made $23 million, man. That's the kind of pain I carry on my head. That's the kind of pain I've been carrying for the past 5 years, man. This is the reason why I started. Yeah, bro.
Why not take like $1 million? Like, why didn't you just even like sell like?
Bro, man. You have to understand, man. When you don't know what you don't know what to do. I sat there looking at money. I was taking screenshots, man. I was fucking taking screenshots because crypto Twitter was taking screenshots too. Hodl. That's all I knew. I had no fucking idea what to do, man. This is the reason why I started doing my shows. I started after bull market ended. I lost a lot. I went back into drawing board. I spent 2 years in bear market studying everything. I decided to start doing shows on Twitter. I started to grow. I said, look, I'm going to try to educate people as much as I possibly can and try to make them money through how I make money. And that's how I started a year and a half ago. I want you guys to win. I don't want you to go through what I went through. And this is the reason why, because I'm telling you, I don't know when it's going to happen, but it's going to happen again. You're going to see the most money you've ever seen in your life, and you're going to hold. But if you know what I'm giving you now, which is understanding Bitcoin dominance, understanding Total 3, understanding the Coinbase app, understanding the crypto Twitter noise, because I predicted the downfall, it's not downfall, or the dump of Yeezy yesterday, because I saw because you see it, man, on Twitter. That's why when crypto Twitter, when they start to tweet, oh, we Vala, we 100K, 10K, 1 million, we're going to dump. It happens all the time. So what I'm saying is this: you don't know, you don't know what you don't know, and that's why I don't want you guys to fail, man. This information I'm giving you guys is gonna protect you from going through another fault. Guys, don't joke. I was on a space. This is like about 3 when we were in the bear market, man. Like the recent one, right? I think was it like it was last year, like July or August. I think ETH was like below 2K. I was on a space. This guy said it's been through 3 cycles. Do you know what that means? How do you go to 3 fucking cycles, man, and you're still grinding? Do you know why? Because he didn't take profits the first time. He didn't take it profit the second time. He didn't take profit the third time. Now I'm hoping he does this time, because he's into the whole crypto Twitter thing where everybody is hodl. Crypto Twitter is intoxicated. They will make you feel like a part of a group. It's groupthink. They will say hodl. I'm telling you guys, it's going to happen to all of you in this space right now. 221 people watching me live right now live. Is going to happen to you. I'm looking at you right now. You're going to see your portfolio do crazy things and you're not going to sell. It's going to happen. And I'm telling you, please don't do something I did, because you guys have to understand this game, man. The way to get, and this is why I know that we're going to go a lot higher. Right now, the financial news media, they spend 2% talking about crypto. 2%. Do you know why? They don't want you, me, regular people to go buy crypto. That's why. When crypto is going absolutely crazy, they'll spend 98% talking about crypto. That's when you know it's time to sell. As of right now, I was seeing none of that, man. None of that. I've seen none of that. And I don't know when it's gonna happen. I have no idea, guys. Things are strange right now, man. You know how this shit goes. They're gonna cut rates. Market is gonna crash. Yes, it does all the time. When they cut rates, market will crash. After that, we go into Valhalla. After that, every single time they cut rates, we crash and we pump up to Valhalla. It takes between, I think, 6 months. 6 months after they cut rates. It will take a while, but things are about to get crazy. And for me, I'm gauging it based on Trump being in office, because now that Trump and his family have billions of dollars in crypto, they are incentivized to keep the party going as long as possible. That's another reason why I'm like, okay, Trump has been in office for 6 months. There's still 3 years and 6 months left of the Trump administration. Trump's kids, I saw them at the Bitcoin conference, man. I right face to face, I saw them. Oh, the oldest one, the boy. They're pushing crypto like crazy, man. So the Trump family, they made more money. The Trump family have made more money in crypto faster than they've ever made in their lives. I'm telling you this for a fact. The amount of money the Trump family has made in the last 6 months from crypto, they've never made that kind of money before. Never. Because it's fast money, man. And now, guys, Trump family, they have NFT collections, they have a DeFi protocol, they have ETFs coming, they're in gold mining, they have a stable coin. Yeah. USD1 hit like $3 billion. Like I think I saw about between 2 and 3 billion. They're positioning themselves to dominate this industry, to extract from it. And that's gonna help us in here. That's the reason why I'm bullish on. It's like I like Trump, I hate Trump. I just like for them to let money flow. Let the money flow. And the most beautiful thing is this. Whenever Trump's family and all these billionaires are making money, it attracts all the billionaires. Yes. And higher prices. That's the biggest ad for crypto is higher prices. The higher the prices go, the more people come, the more investments come, the more debts build, the more they build something actually useful for the average user. So that I'm guys, I'm this bullish always, but you never hear me talk like this all the time. You guys, you never hear me talk like this. But the reason I'm saying this now, because I'm seeing little signs of where things happening, higher prices in the next, I don't know when in the future. I'm before Trump leaves office. That's 3 years, 3 years and 5 months. 3 years and 5 months left before Trump leaves office. I don't know what happens after that, but at least that time frame. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, Dr. Ty, what's up, bro? Yeah, man. So now it's cool, man. It's cool. I just want you guys to keep clicking. Just keep clicking, man. Just whatever you keep doing, you keep clicking. If you don't have money to buy, no problem. Keep doing your test nets. Keep doing because more projects are coming out, more tokens are coming out, more IPOs, more ICOs, more new launches are coming out, more airdrops, more TGEs, and the higher the market goes, the more protocols we have. So just keep clicking. But like I said, this thing is not going to be easy. It is not going to be easy. I'm just telling you right now, making money in crypto is hard. It's not going to be easy. People on ETH, it took them 4 years to break even again. If you bought ETH all-time high 4 years ago, in November 18, 2021, you're just breaking even 4 years later. So what if you sold everything, man? You know what I'm saying? Dr. Tad, what's up, bro? What's going on, man? How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, bro, I'm cool. How you doing? It's been a while, man.
Yeah, bro. What's up, man? I've been here, man. I've been here, just chilling, bro. I've been here.
Lately we have been on to trading stuff, and I've been particularly focusing on trading, all the while. Yeah, we're still doing trading for sure. I just feel like, let me just come to your space tonight. I saw it, those pop and so let me come and have a nice time here. It's always nice coming to your space. The vibe, you're that guy that I like a lot. And for sure you know that, right? And we talked about that time. I said it was going to $400. Yeah, it's basically I do my TA and I just follow my TA. We got cut out and got a lot of heat along the line. That's something about TA, and but yeah. So, but I don't know. The whole market is bullish. It's very, very bullish. We're going to have some kind of correction. Ethereum just hit all-time high, and since we've had that breakout, sure, the market will definitely won't come and retest. But when I don't really look at the chart for now. I same as BTC. So yeah, the market is going to, because since Bitcoin has broken out, the other aspect of the resistance has turned to support. So the market will definitely come most times retest the support. And yeah, I think that October will be very, very bullish. Because a lot of altcoins right now are bullish. And when you enter altcoin chart now, when you look at the monthly chart, you look at Tron, look at Dodge, look a whole lot of coins, they are bullish. Like with the monthly close of July, right? Those of them were just bullish and Gulf candle. So, and what we have been having in the last few days has been a kind of retest. So it coins like within these coming days, maybe tomorrow we'll just have a little correction from this pump, and I feel they will continue to fly from here for now. Yeah, the market is bullish. In a nutshell, it's bullish.
Yeah. I remember when I came to space that time. It's been a while, but no. So because it's this market, it's so weird because of the people behind this stuff. Like for example now those the CEO of JP Morgan, I forgot his name, Jamie Dimon, he hates Bitcoin, hates it. And I feel like that cabal there, they're trying to push ETH to a much higher dollar price than Bitcoin. A lot of these guys do not like Bitcoin. They miss the boats, and and they've talked about the stablecoin stuff. And for them, they and I think that's just an indirect play where stablecoins is the game now. Stablecoin wars already started. They want their own stablecoins. They want to make a bunch of money from this thing. But the reason why ETH benefits from this, because most stablecoins with the most liquidity are come from ETH, and of course Solana too. But any assets that's tied to what's it called, stablecoins will do very, very well. But I mean, for me, like I said before, I mean, I'm just enjoying the vibe, man. In a weird way, I'm not trading necessarily. I am trading to get some airdrops and advances, whatever. But
I see all the on advantage.
yeah, no, they're doing a big airdrop coming soon, man. So where because the more you trade in volume and you get on leaderboards and all that stuff. So I'm active on that, but I'm not just playing with it. But the reason why I focus on macro a lot is because of all the news that we see every day with the stablecoin launching and all that stuff, and we're seeing Trump's family. For me, that might be like, it's understated how bullish these people are, because they have money on the line. Like it's one thing to speak if you don't have money on the line, but when you have money on the line and your father is the most powerful man in the world, what do you think is going to happen to your market? It's going to pump for sure. And we had Trump's son. This was about like what, a week or 2 weeks ago, when he said, "Oh, go buy ETH." Or he said this even, said this, at the local talk like a couple months ago, "Go buy ETH." And look at ETH now, right? Like I said, these people, they control the markets. They control the markets. They know the market makers by name, by number, so they know where things are going, when it's going. They control everything, and that's the reason why I'm like, I believe it's difficult to not be bullish when these people are doing what they're doing. And that's why I'm like, yo, bro, I'm just waiting for long term. For me, honestly, to be honest with you guys, I am actually waiting for when the American citizens, once they start to spend again. They haven't spent. They haven't, because these people are not buying Louis bags, Gucci bags. If they're not doing those things, they're not buying crypto. And that's why you see the Coinbase app rank as low as it is right now. And that's what I'm waiting for, man. For me, I say I don't know when it's gonna be, but yeah, man, this market is looking good, man. It's looking really good.
Yeah, I think I like your position. When you get your stuff, you make your research about them and you max speed on it, and it's quite interesting. A whole lot of guys, definitely has made a whole lot of cash even through your platform. I think you're doing a very good job, my brother. And I think you should keep it up. And yeah, the passion you use is something that like people definitely want to copy from. In also educating and trying to propel the community. For sure, we need people like you in this space. Please keep up what you're doing. We appreciate you definitely a lot. And sure, come and see, we always come and support and see how best, because that's the only thing we can give you. I don't think you might need our money. We rather just focus on at least appreciating the good works that you try to also tell us to also cater for our health. You give us health tips, talk about fasting, talk about a lot of stuff. And it's massive. I think guys like you are rare out there, for sure. But at the end of the day, thank you very much. Thank you.
It's all good, bro.
Super.
Thank you. Yeah. It's all bro. Good. It's life. When life has given you the business, you become very humble, man. I've been humbled a lot of times, and I'm not arrogant. I don't care about all that, man. I'm just trying to have some fun and just enjoy this crypto journey, man. That's about it, man. And that's it. But crypto is not easy. It's not easy at all. It takes a long time. I think people think it's easy. It's not easy at all. You're going to wait a long time. If you just join crypto now and you think you're gonna make a whole bunch of money, yeah, you have you're doing it the wrong way. This thing could take you 5 years, 7, 8, 9 years, 10 years before you eventually reach your goal. And what your goal is.
Sorry, let me just take something to that. You know something? I'm sorry, boss. I like even in trading, which we are in, for instance, it took me, I think, almost 3 to 4 years before I became disciplined. Because like there's something like if you're not, if you there's like experience is very important in these matters. There's only like you just want to come and make. If you make the money recklessly, it's just like you're taking loan from the bank. At least you're going to pay with with your money, because if you make it recklessly, for sure you're going to give it back to the market. There's way that it goes back to to the brain and reposition your brain, and until you give back to the market, you would it's a normal. So that's why it's not out of place for people to go through the rudiment. Whenever they get those hits, they definitely learn from it. People do talk mentorship. Honestly, yeah, it's good to learn, but the truth of the matter is that the mentor comes. The act of it is being practiced and carried out by that individual. You must go through the process. It's a must, because nothing, like you rightly said, nothing is easy. See, life, that's just the truth. If you want to be easy, it's not a legitimate stuff, and it was gotten through dubious, means. And for sure that I advise people go through the regimen and follow things squarely. Get hits is not out of place, but know where you're going to at the end of the day, and stay humble. You mean it, because as a trader, anybody you see shouting on the TL and this and that, bro, that person is not a profitable trader. I'm telling you the truth, because trading will make you humble. Because trading will mold your life. Like it will make you, like it just make you to be a normal person, because you know what you went through. And if it has not reshaping you, then me, I can question the what you think you are posting on the timeline, because trading will change you to become a better human being in life. This is not just on trading alone, in anything we are doing. All right. So thank you, my brother. I appreciate you a lot, and I see my brother as well. Crypto chemistry, Engineer Good B. Dada, what's up? You're here. Ola, Doctor, and shout out to everybody. Let the Buron favor everybody, man. No, it's not going to favor everybody, but at least those people that will take, advice from what Cool Crypto, the light of Engineer Good B, and a whole lot of charts are doing out there. For sure, we definitely benefit from the goal at the end of the day. So guys, let's keep going, let's keep pushing, and let's keep putting all out the hard work here, because for sure we're going to make it by God's grace. But you have to be intentional about it, and being intentional, you have to be in spaces like this whereby somebody have you. As you can see how he pours his heart, like he talks with so much enthusiasm, just because of like he care for the community. And yeah, thank you very much, Cool Crypto. I can go on and on, but let me not take.
Nah, no worries, bro. Yeah, no. I can't disagree. It's because of I've seen people make a lot of money and lose everything, or I've seen people that come here with nothing and they go and leave with everything. You see both directions, man. And I just think over time we're going to get to that place again where people, are it's just crypto Twitter. They it's an intoxicating place, and you don't want to follow the herd. Following the herd is not what you want to do. Like, I'm going to go back again. The most recent thing, Yeezy token came out, and I saw people. There were four separate live Twitter spaces being held for the Kanye West token. When I saw that, I said, "Yeah, this thing's gonna dump, man. There's no way it's gonna dump." Too many people were talking about this. We had massive influencers saying, "Oh, I put all this money in it. I bought 100K worth." There was news yesterday that came out that says a trader lost $500,000 yesterday because he bought the Yeezy. What happened is very simple because FOMO is real, right? When you see people buying things or people tweeting something on Twitter, people go jump on it. They just do. And that's the reason why you have to understand how the game works. If you ever see anyone on Twitter with a large account talk about a token, it's too late. You're too late. Don't touch it with a 10-foot pole. If they talk about that token and nobody else even knows about it, that's different. The moment large accounts make a post about a token, is you're already too late. Please do not buy it. It's already too late. They do this all the time. This happens all the fucking time, man. It's just the way it is.
Yeah, it is human psychology. Nobody can downplay it. It will keep happening. It can happen to you over and over and over and over again. That is psychology, and that's why that's the only place AI cannot defeat. That's where man cannot tamper with that. That's why even in trading, if you are not a plan person, yeah, like you might have all the necessary skills in the whole world. You might be the best analyst, and you don't have the will. Like if this thing it is this, I must carry it out like this, because emotions is always part of what we are doing. Particularly when you know that your money is involved, it must be attached. See, with people, all I'm talking about is what I have suffered from. Okay, is what because no matter how smart I think I am, if I think Mark Douglas literally saved my life from all this stuff until you become intentional about it. Because actually, like you heard, that trading is basically you're taking free money from people without giving them nothing. All right, for instance. So I thought that for sure there will be a clause to it, and that clause is the emotional aspect. So as every other thing, as far as money is involved, it must be there. So that's why you must be emotional. I mean, you must be highly intentional about it, and act towards it. See, for sure, but we will keep stating all these things, and it will keep happening, because that's what actually makes the 10% of persons making money from is even up to 10%, because people will make money, like you rightly said, and they will still give it back. Like the other guy, you said that he made money from 3 cycles and still gave to the market. Yet when he becomes intentional about it and ready to bookmark and work with what has been bookmarked, for sure he's definitely going to have a turnaround. Before I will always be there. But those genes are part of our system until we become intentional about it and map out our plan and follow it squarely without trying to mince anything. Then sure we'll definitely make success out of it. And again, we cannot eat everything. We cannot eat everything. But I think the concept of little everything in life for me is the same. Is how we appropriate ourselves to all these things. that definitely can yield results. Cool. I'm sorry. I just feel like I think it concerns me, particularly the monetary aspect, and maybe just I share a lie because it's something that has happened to me personally, and I chose and I said let me just see add that. Yeah, thank you again.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, guys. We've been here for about 2 hours and 9 minutes. I'll probably just call it a day. Call it a day right now. Don't forget tomorrow. Tomorrow the show goes on. The number one airdrop show in crypto live. We on tomorrow. We I host that show. It's been a year and 7 months. Every single Saturday, 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. CST. It holds it for about. We hold it for about 3 hours, about 3 hour show about airdrops. I make money in crypto. Do not miss it. We've been, I mean, like I can't speak. I'm just kind of telling you what happens. We'll be doing this show for 1 year and 7 months, every Saturday, 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. CST. Come tomorrow, come and get some alpha, and let's get this money, man. But yeah, man, I don't any last words on my side. There's a lot of opportunities out there. We will see things are not going straight up. Things are not that easy, but at the end of the day, there's still a lot of uptrend coming. A lot of tokens are still down heavily, still even through all this pump. So we'll see. We need more liquidity in the markets. We don't have enough liquidity in the markets. We need more, and the liquidity comes. It's so strange, but liquidity comes when prices go higher, and when governments make it easier for their citizens to borrow money. That's what the culture in this country is, in America is, where they make it cheap to borrow money, and more American citizens, the more money they borrow, the more they spend. For the past 3 years or 4 years, the rates at which they borrow has been high. That's the reason why they're not flush with cash. But they just look, this pump that happened today was just a hint, an announcement that they're going to cut rates. This announcement by the Fed chair Jerome Powell is what pushed the market up this much. Just an announcement. They haven't cut rates yet, but we'll see. Right, the market's weird. They will probably cut rates soon, and we're going to see a crash coming. There's no doubt about that. It's gonna, whenever they cut rates, a crash comes, but we go to Valhalla after that. That's when. So if you see the market goes down like crazy after they cut rates, if you have money, please buy something, because we're going to Valhalla after they cut rates. It happens every single time. So guys, great show today. If you just joined the space, check the pin post or check my page. I posted the indicator to help you sell when it's altcoin season, because you're going to be, I'm going to say it again, we have a lot of viewers. We have almost 300 people watching live on YouTube and Twitter live. I'm going to say it again. Whenever you see the indicators I use to help to tell me when it's time to sell, the first one is the Coinbase app. The Coinbase app, the rank. Coinbase app is number one crypto trading app in America. Okay, whenever this app hits top 10, sell everything. And how you track it, you can check my page. I posted a Twitter link. There's a Coinbase app tracker. There's a Twitter account that tracks the rank of Coinbase. Whenever this app hits top 10, sell everything you own. If you don't, you're going to go through another 4 years of bear markets. You're going to be crying. I just told you there was a guy that I was in space with last year. He's been to 3 crypto cycles and he's still grinding. Do you know why? He's been to 3 crypto cycles because he didn't take profits. He didn't know what to do, when to sell. I don't want you to go through what he went through. I don't want you to go through what I went through last bull market. So check my page. I posted it. Follow that Coinbase tracker app with notifications turned on, so you know whenever that app goes up or down. The highest that rank has gone up recently was rank number 20. This happened when it was the halving, Bitcoin halving of, I think it was April or May of last year. When the halving happened, Bitcoin broke all-time high, or right before it. The Coinbase app hit number 20. What happened after that? Do you know? Bitcoin went from 100 grand to 70K. It went from like almost 4K to 1,400. So this thing is no joke, guys. So that's one thing. The next one is
cool.
Yeah.
Sorry, which app is that one?
No, the Coinbase app. No, it's on my page, bro. You can see it.
Okay.
It's on my page. Just follow that page because it tracks the app. There's somebody, I don't know who created, somebody created a Twitter account that tracks the ranking of Coinbase. Remember, when the reason, this is the logic. Whenever Americans are buying crypto, they have to download the Coinbase app. The more they download this app, the higher the ranking goes. The higher the ranking goes, the higher crypto prices are. 100% foolproof. This app has hit number 1 2 times. When it did this the first time, it crashed. Altcoins crashed 80-90% after this happened. No, for a fact. This was when Elon Musk was going on TV talking about Dogecoin all the time. This was when they're doing ads on TV about Coinbase and crypto. Many commercials on TV. This was when Coinbase was number 1 on the App Store in the entire world. If I knew what I knew now, guys, I wouldn't. There would be no cool crypto. I would be in Bahamas right now, man, chilling. I would have millions and millions done already. I didn't know all this stuff. What I'm telling you now, I didn't know. This is why this information is more valuable than anything I'll ever tell you. Any airdrop I'll ever tell you is more valuable, because when you understand this stuff, your brain starts to shift. You don't even look at crypto prices anymore. You won't even care anymore, because you're like, oh, I know what's going to happen, so I'm just going to wait and chill. When the opposite, when you now see that, oh, like when we're in the bear market, the crypto Coinbase rank was like rank number 700-800. That was the best time to buy. Solana was selling for $10 then. You see, you're doing the opposites. So it tells you when to buy and when to sell. The second indicator is the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is basically right now, Bitcoin dominance today. That's why I'm not saying we're not even anywhere near where we're going to be. As of today, Bitcoin dominance is 57%. That means that 57% of the entire market cap of crypto, Bitcoin holds it. When we were in alt season 4 years ago, do you know what Bitcoin dominance was? 38 to 41%. This is when millionaires were made left. This was when CryptoPunks NFT was selling for $28 million, man. This is when SHIB, people were making $10-20 million from SHIB, millionaires daily. This is the bull market. At this time, this was when you should have sold, not buy. If you knew this, you would not be buying, you'll be selling. This is why you need to have this information in your pocket, because I'm just saying, I don't know when we're going to experience this again, but as long as you have this information in your pockets, it to protect you when that time comes. I don't want you to go through people that go through 3. Do you know what 3 cycles means? That is 12 years in crypto, and you haven't reached your goal. That makes no sense. That means he was here, not me, the guy I was on space with. That means he was here when Bitcoin was $10, $12, man. That means he was here on when Ethereum was at $20 or $10. Can you imagine being in 3 cycles and you haven't done what you're supposed to do? Do you know why? Because you don't have the right information. That's what does give you now. So, guys, let me end this show, man. I need to go. The kids just came home. Tomorrow is the airdrop show, 6 a.m. CST. Yo, Chai, I'm about to end the show, bro. I need to go. Chai, I need to go, man. I need to go, bro. Look, I'll give you 2 minutes. Chai, 2 minutes. What do you have to say? I need to go, man. The kids just got home. I need to go. Chai, what's up, bro? 2 minutes, bro. I gotta go. We've been on for 2 hours already, man. 2 hours and 20 minutes. Chai, what's up, bro? What's going on? 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
No, I just wanted to mention that you are absolutely right, because I have also seen the Bitcoin price under $1,000. So I bought it eventually under $1,000. I mined 50 Bitcoins through gaming. So I am from that stage. But because I used to play some games which used to mine almost 1 Bitcoin every day. So I mined those Bitcoins. But after all this, it is a very necessary, or it is very good to understand where are you going to book yourself? Where are you going to stop your greed? That is where you are going to stop. I sold the Bitcoin at 2017 highs. That was a good return for me. But now if I held those Bitcoins till today, so I had 50 Bitcoins mined through gaming, just solving captchas, nothing else. And if I had those Bitcoins, I must be sitting at a pile of cash right now. So you are absolutely right, bro. I completely agree with you that it is a must. Before you invest in anything, you must know where are you going to exit. So I completely respect you for this, that you are educating your audience about all these points before this full start. Now everyone is getting bullish, and I am all in.
Yo, try. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate you, bro, for coming up and telling us that. Yeah, no, just the reason why I'm doing this, because I know that where that day is gonna happen soon. I don't know when, but I think it's just because, like I said, greed. I got a message from the chat that says crypto was created to make us free from the government, but greed isn't letting us do it. That's what it is right there. And this indicators is supposed to guide you to help you, make a decision that's going to change your life and your family's lives when it's time. Because we're going to get that day is going to happen again. It's going to happen again. I guarantee it. It's just the way human nature is. There's going to be money pouring back into the markets. We're going to go through some crazy numbers again. But having information on your side is how you protect yourself in the future. So, guys, let me go. I'll see you guys again tomorrow on the Airdrop Show. We'll be live 6 a.m. CST tomorrow for the Airdrop Show. Don't forget, that's my favorite show. We'll be hosting this thing for 1 year and 7 months. So, guys, thank you all for being there. Chai, Dr. Jad, Pink Uni, Gaga, my bro. I see you. Engineer Goodby, Silence. You guys are awesome. Crypto Chemistry. Much love, Pandit.ETH. I see you, Justus. What's up? I see you guys in. So tomorrow, I'll see you guys again tomorrow, man. Let's enjoy it. Like it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy to make this money, but as long as you understand, as long as you're still here, you're gonna be okay. So, guys, much love. Let's make this money together, man. Let's make this money and let's take profits when we're supposed to. So, guys, love you all. You guys are awesome. Enjoy your Friday. I'll see you guys again later. Much love, guys. Peace out. You guys are freaking awesome. So I'll see you guys later, man. You guys are great. Let me take a screenshot real quick, man. Let me take a screenshot real quick, and I'll see you guys later. Let me put 5. We need eat the 5K next. eat the eat the 5K next. That's where we're going. We want 5. That's what he wants. Guys, I'll see you guys later, man. Great show today, man. Great show. Much love. Let me go spend time with these kids, man. You guys.